All right, guys and ladies, we're in the shop today working on the Cummins. Just a little basic maintenance, you know. I figured because the Diesel Queen had so many likes and everything on her video about her Cummins oil change that I'd do the same thing. Got the old Rotella. Oh, hang on, let me grab the filter or else I'll forget it. I like to use the mobile extended performance filter, even though I only go 3,000 miles on the oil change, if that. I usually go a year or two if I don't put the miles on the truck, because, you know, owning 7 or 8 diesel trucks, you don't put as many miles. So this is the oil. Yeah, the bottle looks old. I save my bottles. I rebottle. Oh, I have a 10-gallon jug. Or sorry, 5-gallon jug, not 10-gallon. I have a 5-gallon jug at the house. So I like to take my big honking air filter off to get to the filter because it's easier. Yeah, it's a hot air intake. It was all I had at the time to put on it. And I got the nice Banks brake, which I love the Banks brake. If you're in need of a Banks brake, they work well. But see, I wired mine to a switch with the actual valve, and because I bought the turbo with the Banks brake, I had nothing else. So I did all this fancy wiring and hosing. And it's got brand new stainless steel OEM lines, pre-bents. Because, you know, I want to be able to stop and I want to be able to, you know, drive. So it is what it is. And, but yeah, I need to put a new set of tires on this thing already. They are from 2018 or 2019 is the date codes on them, and this thing sat a lot because COVID and didn't find a camper that I was looking for to tow with it. Nice big tip. But the tires are actually cracking. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, the camera's kind of picking it up. So these tires are cracking right around where the rim is, right? So even though they got good tread life, like that's pretty good. They're hardly worn. The rears are worn a little more than the fronts because the rears, it's got a posi lock differential, whatever it came with stock, but it's got a locking differential with clutches, so they tend to scrub a lot. Not doing a fuel filter today. I got a spare one in the back seat, but not doing one right now. My parts are here. All right, guys, it's all buttoned up, filled it with oil, started it. Had to work on that thing in the middle of it because a gasket came and it still wasn't the right one. So I got a few other things to do. I got to coat the battery with some oil so it doesn't corrode at all, even though it's already starting. And do a few other things. All my grounds from my ground repair video. If you guys, you know, want to see that, look in the channel and you'll find it. It's a pretty good video. Got my new AC line installed, and yeah, that's it. Hopefully this thing pedals me through the summer. And thanks for watching, guys. I know I've been MIA for a while. I had some stuff happen. Life happens. So been trying to work through my work in peace, I guess you could call it. Just trying to get through everything. So you know, maybe I'll make a video. Maybe I'll make a video on my other channel about that. Well, anyways, hope this helps somebody because I didn't show much because I got distracted in the middle of the video. So I think it was like 10 quarts of oil, and it's got enough in it now anyways. It's cleaner. Put a sticker on the window, lowered the tire pressure in the rear tires because I'm not towing anything for a while. So I don't need them at 80 PSI. Maybe I'll do a fuel filter video. I forgot my tripod today, which is why I couldn't really get much done. And didn't have time to make a cup tripod. So, you know, just trying to get through everything. Hopefully you guys find this interesting. Go in the comments and tell me how much it was a terrible video. So, anyways, guys, take it easy.